In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gelato with Shopify. We'll connect the Gelato Print on Demand app to your store, create products, publish them, set pricing and shipping, and get you ready to start selling with automated fulfillment. Start by logging into your Shopify account and opening your store's admin. This is your home base for managing products, apps, and orders. Make sure you're in the right store if you manage more than one. Next, install the Gelato app. In the Shopify admin, open the Shopify App Store and search for Gelato Print on Demand. Click to add the app, review the permissions, and confirm the installation. These permissions allow Gelato to create products and manage orders on your behalf, which is essential for automated fulfillment. Once the app is installed, connect your account. If you already have a Gelato account, sign in. If not, create one directly from the prompt. Linking the accounts ensures your Shopify products can be produced and shipped by Gelato without manual steps. After connecting, you'll see that your Shopify store is linked inside the Gelato dashboard. Now it's time to create products. In the Gelato app, browse their catalog to choose items like t-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, and more. Use Gelato's design editor to upload your artwork, add text, and select colors and print areas. For best results, use high-resolution files and check the mockups to see how your design looks on each variant. You can add multiple sizes, colors, and styles, and write clear product titles and descriptions that match your brand tone. When your product looks good, publish it to your store. Click to sync or publish from Gelato so the product appears in your Shopify catalog. The product will show up in your products list with the variants and images you set. Make sure it's marked as active and visible in your online store so customers can see it. Before you start promoting, set your pricing and shipping. In the product details, adjust your retail prices to cover Gelato's base cost and your desired profit margin. Review Gelato's shipping options and delivery estimates, then align them with your Shopify shipping settings so customers get accurate rates and timelines at checkout. Clear pricing and consistent shipping information help reduce cart abandonment. You're ready to start selling. When a customer orders, Gelato automatically handles printing and delivery, and tracking updates flow back to your store. This setup lets you run a print-on-demand store with automated fulfillment. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.